Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Reggae artist Jesse Royal is set to drop his debut album, Lily of the Valley. The highly anticipated project will be released on October 6. Lily of the Valley is produced by Lamar Riffraff Brown and comprises 14 tracks, including previously recorded singles, Modern Day Judas, and Finally. The project features an eclectic mix of hardcore reggae, smooth lovers rock, and fusions from the electronic dance music genre. Jesse Royal and his team have included 2 collaborations on the album, Joe Mercer Marley on the track Generation and French reggae act Patrice on the single titled Woman Go Home. The album will be distributed by Easy Star Records. Fast-rising dancehall act Razor B was recently awarded by the Caribbean Music and Entertainment Awards show at the Rose Theatre in Brompton, Ontario, Canada.
The 2 awards, I'm telling you, it's excited here in Toronto. International Award 2017 Reggae. So it was from the CMEA, which is Caribbean Music Entertainment Award, and also another award from Reggae Exclusive Trailblazer Award. This is a great look.
The artist has been engaged in a month-long tour of Canada and expressed satisfaction with the overall reception to his music.
The tour has been going very well. It's Don't Stop It, which, you know, I just released that single, Don't Stop It, so you don't know no other better way to name the tour, Don't Stop It. Clear Down Jamaica Day was also a part of the tour journey. It was 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. Now we have 2 more shows left here in Toronto. The people, the fans, they're loving it.
Razor B is also leading the charge for a charity event being held in Ontario to assist in relief efforts for Barbuda and Dominica, who were recently affected by hurricanes.
What I've done, me and my team, is just we're trying to raise funds and non-perishable items to help Barbuda. And that will be on the 14th of October here in Canada, in Brampton, where we're doing a soccer tournament. You know what I mean? All and each and everyone is welcome. All you got to do is just bring some non-perishable item if you want to contribute money or anything. You know what I mean? That would be appreciated too. But what we're trying to do is just pack like barrels on top of barrels and send out to Barbuda to help. You know what I mean? And give back. Then I fly into Jamaica, and then from Jamaica to Guyana, and from Guyana to St. Kitts.
The all-star concert to celebrate Bob Marley's iconic album Exodus happens on November 1 at the Orpheum Theatre in Los Angeles, California. Ziggy and Stephen Marley are the headline acts for the event, which also features renowned musicians Tom Morello and Gary Clark Jr. The Exodus live concert celebrates one of the most iconic and inspirational albums ever recorded. Plans for this year's staging of the Rex Nettlefoot concert are in high gear. The concert is 2 weeks away, and the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts School of Drama opens its first major production for the 2017-2018 academic year with a production titled The Listeners. The play, in a recent release, is described as a vocal oral performance inspired by the literary works of Derek Walcott. The Listeners opens on Heroes Weekend, October 13 to 15, and continues on October 27, 28, and 29. And that's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Have a great weekend.